Welcome back to Josh Does Math. In this video, we're going to be doing another limit problem. So we're looking at the limit as x goes to 0 of the function 2 to the x to the second. So with those exponents up there, the order of operations says that you do the exponent first, which isn't really clear in this problem. But what that means, do the exponent first, is you work your way from the uppermost exponent down to the lowermost exponent. So this is being done first. So I just put parentheses to be clear with what we're talking about. So we're looking at the limit as x approaches 0 for this problem. So just like all limit problems, we can plug in x equals 0 and see what we get. See if we get an indeterminate form, or if we get something approaching infinity, or if we just get some number, which means we're done. So if I plug in 0, we end up getting 2 to the 0 squared, which is just 2 to the 0. And anything to the 0 power is 1. So for this limit, we end up getting 1. And that's the answer to this. It's just 1. Sometimes whenever you do limits in the form of something over x and you plug in 0 for every x, you get something like this, which means that you need to look at both the left hand and right hand limits to make sure that the function isn't approaching some vertical asymptote that behaves like this, which would mean that the limit at this point right here does not exist because the function is approaching positive infinity and negative infinity at the same time. So that's the limit doesn't exist there. However, for this problem, we don't have division by 0. It's just simple plug in 0, see what you get, and we end up getting 1. So that's how you do a limit problem like this. Thanks for watching.